Hi, my name is Ricky, and I am the owner and operator of A&R Heating and Air in Jacksonville, North Carolina.
A&R Heating and Air strives to be one of the best heating and air companies serving the Jacksonville and surrounding areas. As a Jacksonville, North Carolina air conditioning company, we strive ourselves on offering honest pricing with top quality heating and air conditioning work. Our number one goal is to make sure our client is completely satisfied. Whether you need air conditioning repair, heating repair, installation, or even just a standard heating and air service, we would love to come out and give you a complete free quote. We work with both residential and commercial heating and air residents in the Jacksonville area. And to prove we can offer the best service possible, we want to offer you 10% off your first service. Just mention this ad, give us a call at 910-934-0133. And don't forget to mention this ad to get 10% off your first service.